If you're looking for an all-in-one pre-assembled package to move unwanted water, look no further. I'm Jeremiah Brody, and today I'm going to introduce to you the most advanced and contractor-friendly sewage basin in the industry, the Little Giant Pit Plus. Little Giant introduced the Pit Plus as a convenience for contractors. Its pre-assembled system allows for drag and drop installation, keeping your time on site down to a minimum. Available with sewage or grinder pump options and the 2 basin sizes, this package is ideal for those looking to save time and money. Today, we'll cover the solution this product provides, including ideal applications, key features, and ease of use, equipping you to choose the best package for your application. Designed for use in residential applications, this package system collects sewage, effluent, drainage, and seepage water. The Pit Plus kit comes with a pump, basin, and fittings, making it ideal for sewage lift stations or flood control applications. Depending on your installation space, you're able to choose between 2 basin sizes, each similar in volume. The wider junior basin size accommodates areas with rocky terrain or where digging is difficult. The taller senior basin size accommodates areas with less room and the ability to dig down further into the ground. This package system contains either a 4/10 or half horsepower sewage pump or a 1 horsepower grinder pump. The Pit Plus large bottom lip and radial rib design add strength and act as an anti-flotation collar, ensuring the installation stays put and doesn't float up. The 360-degree molded handle helps aid in installation, and the sturdy finish cover keeps debris out while protecting the product during shipping and installation. So sturdy, in fact, it's even stackable. The system includes a standard tethered float switch with or without an alarm, or, for added reliability, an external control module or ECM switch. This switch uses a bell inside the basin to monitor the liquid level for operation of a diaphragm switch outside the basin. Separate from the liquid, this design reduces the chance of water intrusion, which can result in switch failure. The pre-assembled nature of this product makes it easy to set up and use immediately. There's no need to assemble switches or the pump into pipes. Simply hook up the vent and discharge lines at the top. Once the product is installed on the ground, you're ready to go. The recessed discharge and vent location make the pump and switches simple to service. No plumbing is disturbed, and the troubleshooting is easy.